story, can you tell me what your ballet teacher teaches you in class?
You like to tap together the A.
Good job.
You like that?
Do it again.
Tap together. Oh!
It's okay. It's okay. Leave it. Okay, show me one more time. What does she teach you?
Tap together the A.
Plie. Good job. What else have you learned? You haven't been there in a few weeks, huh? So did you forget?
I forget to get.
Are you going to go on Saturday to your class?
Saturday.
Saturday? Okay, show me one more time. One more time, show me. Good job.